Welcome to Budgeting Tips for Beginners. Budgeting is an important part of managing your money and achieving your financial goals. By creating a budget, you can make sure that you are spending your money wisely and saving enough for the future. Here are some steps to help you create a successful budget. 1. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget is to determine how much money you have coming in. This includes all sources of income, such as your salary, any investments or rental income, and any other sources of money. 2. Identify your expenses. The next step is to identify all of your expenses. This includes both fixed expenses, such as rent or a mortgage payment, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Be sure to include all of your expenses, even small ones like coffee or vending machine snacks. 3. Determine your saving goals. What are your saving goals? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or save for retirement? Determine how much you want to save and make a plan to reach those goals. Track your spending. Keep track of your spending for at least a month to get a better understanding of where your money is going. This can be done through the use of a budgeting app or by simply writing down your expenses. 4. Create a budget. Now that you have a good understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. Start by subtracting your expenses from your income. If you have money left over, that's great. You can use it to save or pay off debt. If you have less money than you need to cover your expenses, you'll need to find ways to cut back on your spending or find ways to increase your income. 5. Review and revise your budget. Your budget is not set in stone. It's important to review and revise your budget regularly to make sure it's still working for you. If your income or expenses change, be sure to update your budget accordingly. By following these steps, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you reach your financial goals. Happy budgeting! I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.